In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with AI videos step by step for beginners. The first thing you want to do is choose a profitable niche. This is important because your content should be centered around topics people already enjoy watching, searching for, and sharing. Good examples include AI tools, personal finance, business tips, technology, health and wellness, motivation, and educational facts. The goal here is simple. Pick a topic with strong demand so your videos have a better chance of getting views. Next, create your YouTube channel. Set up your account, choose a channel name that is easy to remember, and make it relevant to your niche if possible. Then design a logo and banner so your page looks professional from the start. You should also write a clear channel description that tells viewers exactly what kind of content they can expect. A simple design tool like Canva can make this part much easier, even if you're a complete beginner. Once your channel is ready, start generating content ideas with AI. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to brainstorm video topics quickly. For example, you can ask for 50 viral YouTube Shorts ideas about AI tools for beginners. This saves time and helps you avoid staring at a blank page when you're not sure what to create next. After that, use AI to create your video scripts. Keep them short, clear, and engaging, especially if you're making shorts. A useful prompt would be to ask for a 60-second YouTube Shorts script about a free AI tool that saves time for content creators. Make sure the first 3 seconds are attention-grabbing, because that's what helps keep viewers watching. Then create AI voiceovers from your scripts. Tools like 11 Labs, PlayHT, or CapCut can turn your text into natural-sounding narration. Choose a voice that matches your content style and sounds easy to listen to. Now it's time to generate or collect visuals. You can use AI-generated videos, AI-generated images, or copyright-safe stock footage. Tools like Kling AI, Pika, and Pexel's videos can help you build visuals that match your script without filming anything yourself. Next, edit your videos by combining the voiceover, visuals, captions, and music. For beginners, CapCut Desktop is one of the easiest tools to use. Clean editing and readable captions can make a big difference in watch time. After that, upload consistently. A strong schedule for beginners is 3 to 5 shorts daily and 1 long-form video each week. Consistency usually matters more than perfection, especially when you're trying to grow. Then focus on monetization. You can earn through the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, digital products like templates or prompt packs, and sponsorships as your channel grows. Finally, scale your content production by batching your work. Generate 10 topics, write 10 scripts, create 10 voiceovers, and edit 10 videos at once. This helps you stay consistent without needing to make content every single day.